So today we're just outside of Uffington in Oxfordshire, and I've come to see the Uffington White Horse. This has a particular symbolism for me because my first ever business I had to design a logo for, and I decided to base it on the head of the Uffington White Horse. It was a reasonably successful business, so it probably brought me some luck, so I thought it was about time I paid homage to the original. But we can see we're in a beautiful place today. This is the Vale of the White Horse. I have to pronounce it like a posh person because otherwise no one would understand me with my Essex accent. Vale of the White Horse, people. Chalk Hill blue, quite a rarity. Some beautiful chalk grassland flowers. Butterflies, there's a skipper. Oh, the harebells, they're lovely to see. I don't see them very often. And there's scabious, and this is, I think that's rest harrow. Oh, how lovely the countryside must have looked before pesticides. Here we are, this is the White Horse. Now this obviously isn't the best angle to see it at because we're actually on top of it. I'll give you a better view further down. Ooh, that's a bit dizzying. This is a really good view of Dragon Hill. So the white patch on top of it is meant to be where St George slayed the dragon. The white patch is meant to be where the dragon fell, and its blood was so poisonous no grass will grow. Cheers. Oh, probably a bit hot and sweaty now, having walked all the way around the landscape trying to find a good view, but actually I think they were quite clever in not giving you a really clear view of it because it makes you work for it, you know, so you walk around almost paying homage to it because you can't get a clear view of it. And they don't allow drone flying here, which is very good news because I find them quite irritating. So yeah, you're really just getting tantalising glimpses of what it would look like, which I quite like. See, where is it? There it is. Just about sees a horse there. There's his head up there, and that's his two legs, and that's his back, and that's his back legs. And I've just remembered a poem. I haven't remembered it all, but I've remembered bits of it. So the wild white stallion with silk white mane gallops over the dusty plain. His back is arched, his ears are pricked, his tail is arrogantly flicked. I remember that bit, and then it goes something about no saddle or bridle has he worn. What more magnificent sight could there be than the wild white stallion galloping free? It seemed appropriate.